Here you're going to use English and we're going to convert it back to some sort of equation and then we solve. So one more step on top of that, that's all. A number plus 4 is equal to 3. I'm going to, every time they say a number, it's going to be in the word x. Okay? Use x to represent a number. So every time you hear a number means x. Okay? Plus means plus, is means equal, is means equal. All right, so let's do the first one, pretty easy. A number means x plus 4 is equal. Now, if they don't say equal, you still be able to know is the equal side because is, right, is to 3. Let me solve for x, right? Well, they didn't ask you to solve for this objective, so I'm not gonna solve. I'll just refinish it there. If you wanna solve, you can. Why don't you guys try? I'll ask you. 6 more than a number is 1. What does that mean? Well, just write the thing that you know first. Is 1. So it means what? Equal 1. At least on the exam, you get partial credit, right? Don't leave it blank. Whatever you know, write down. All right, the left-hand side. 6 more than a number. Yeah, I want to think of it. I say I eat 2 more candy than you do. Then yeah, I eat 2 more candy than you do. Right? So x plus 6 or 6 plus x doesn't matter. They didn't ask us to solve, so I'm just gonna box it now. C, can someone tell me C? A number minus 2 is 5. X minus 2. Yeah, x minus 2 equals 5. Let me highlight it here. Is equal. The total of 8 and a number amounts to 7. A total, what is that? Yeah, a plus x equals 7. I'll put it in parentheses. I know it's not necessary, but just in case, you know, next time we're getting more elaborate, right? I say a total of 8 and a number times something, then I have to put it in parentheses. So I just kind of establish my habit right now. Do you have any questions so far? Pretty straightforward so far. 6 subtracted from a number equal 4. Just look at the right-hand side first. What's that? Yeah, equal 4. All right, now the left-hand side is little tricky that it looked like. 6 subtracted from a number. 6 subtract x or x plus 6. Yeah, you're being subtracted from something else, right? So 6 being subtracted from something else, and that something else is a number we don't know, we call it x. So x minus 6. Now be careful on the exam, okay? If you see something like this, x comes first. Okay? Natalie, you have any questions? Or Devanda, you have any questions? No. All right, if you have questions, please ask, okay? A number added to 7 results in 5. Somebody else, don't let one person do all the work. Somebody haven't speak yet. Well, I give you an x. What is that? X, a number added to 7, so. Thank you. X plus 7. Yeah, equal 5. Result in mean equal. Let me highlight again. Result in equal as well. Just a different way of saying it. You know, why don't you guys do all of them? See how you do. I'll give you 1 minute or 2 minutes. Try your best. I'm thinking at the end of the semester, I'm gonna drop at least 6, you try. I'm thinking 10. I wanna drop 10. I'll see how other instructor do, but so 10 you try. I wanna drop 10. Maybe I don't tell them. Don't tell them. I wanna drop 10. You try. So say if you miss 2 days, that's okay, right? That's at most 6 you try. You make 3 days, 9 you try. So you okay if you miss like a few days. I do that because first of all, if you're here and you don't get the answer right, it's not your fault. You're here. That's important. And if something happens, life happens. Your car broke down, you can't go to class on time. You have doctor appointment, whatnot. Your dog's sick, so whatnot. So that's why I drop a lot of you try. So don't worry if you miss 1 or 2 days. You don't have to email me. But if you miss more than that, you should let me know. Like something wrong, let me know. G. A number increased by 5 yields 20. What do you have? What do you have? X plus 5. X times 5 increase. Increase by 5. Increase, I don't think it's times, it's plus, right? It's plus, right? It's plus, yeah. Yeah, I know my first thought is increase is times 2, but yeah, it's actually plus. And then yield means equal 20. H, a sum of number and 3 gives 11. Sum in plus, right? So X plus 3. I like to put in parentheses. When I see a sum of something, I like to put in parentheses. Gives 11. Six equal the difference of number and 1. Maybe I'll ask. Anyone want to volunteer for this one? Anyone haven't talked yet? Yes. So say it again. Let's do from left to right. Let's do from left to right. So 6, right? Equal x minus 1. Yeah. She said x minus 1 equals 6. It says same thing, right? But we're gonna do from left to right. Unlike Arabic, is Arabic right from right to left? Is that right? Arabic people here. Yeah. Yeah. Usually I just go from left to right. No, you don't. If somebody say x minus 1 equals 6, it's fine. It's the same thing. J, the difference of 1 and a number is 0. Go ahead. No. All right. So difference mean subtract something. So here, x minus 1 or 1 minus x. 1 minus x. 1 minus x is not the same thing as x minus 1, but 1 plus x is the same thing as x plus 1. K, a number decreased by 5 is the number plus 1. Yes, thank you. Destiny, thank you. It's hard for me to remember people who's not in my workshop. I try. I'll try to learn your names. 9 less a number equals the number less 9. Less 5, I'm sorry. Less mean what? Subtract, right? Less means subtract. So me highlight that. See that. All right. Someone else. Teamwork. Make it go through so we can move on to the next one. I can give you try. Anyone want to volunteer? Go ahead. Maya, you want to do the next one? Very good. Products mean multiplication, right? So x times 3 equal 15. Oh, 3 times x doesn't matter. If you want to do 3 times x, maybe it looks nicer that way. Someone else, n. We're almost there. Ratio of a number to 4 is 20. Anyone from this group? You wanna the ratio? Yeah, sure. Yes. Oh, ratio means division. Ratio means division. Mm-hmm. Very good. That's it. Right? Okay. Ratio means division. Yeah. What does quotient mean? Quotient means opposite of multiplication. Yeah, division, right? A ratio, a quotient divide the same thing. Quotient also division. So quotient of 6 and the number is 3. Thank you. 6, sorry, I said 6, I wrote x. 6 divided by x equal 3. Almost there. Ooh. The quotient of a number and 6 is 3. X divided by 6, right? Thank you. X divided by 6. Bless you. 8 is the same as twice a number. And somebody from that group. I haven't picked on anyone from that group. 8 is the same as twice a number. Anyone at all? Very good. 8 equals 2x. Last one, yay. 2/5 of a number is 10. Go ahead, Kylan. Kaylin. Very good. 2/5 times x. You can do parentheses like she said. Equal 10. Of mean multiplication. Multiply. All right. Okay, not too bad. Oh my God, one more before I thought this gives you try. Sorry, false alarm. Gotta do a few more. All right, this time, did they ask you to solve? Oh yes, they do. They do. So solve. 5 more than twice a number is 7. Someone give me the equation that we can solve. Very good. And then you solve. Subtract 5. Subtract 5. So 2x equal 2 divided both sides by 2. So x equal 1. I'm gonna do F now. F, I'll do E and F, and you guys do B, E, C, D. Okay, let's do E first. 6 subtracted from 8 times the number is 3/5 of the number. So let's do from left to right. 6 subtracted from 8 times a number. Careful, the other way around. Yeah, it's subtract from, right? Subtract from. So you kind of switch because of from, subtract from. So 8x minus 6, that's my left-hand side, is equal 3/5 of a number. Yeah, 3/5 x. Do you guys remember this? How to solve this? What do we have to find? LCD, right? LCD. So everybody doesn't have a denominator. I'll put it over 1 like that. What's the LCD for this problem? 5. So 5/1, 5/1, 5/1. The reason we do this so we can get rid of the 5 in the bottom. This should be gone. 5 times 8 is 40x minus 30 equal x. Subtract x both sides. Oh, 3x. Thank you, Natalie. No, Annalie. Annalie. Sorry. 3x, negative 3x. Negative 3x. Cancel. 40 minus 3x. 40x minus 3x is 37x. Minus 30 equals 0. So add 30. Side. On the exam, if you don't want to do the little step like that, it's fine. Divide both sides by 37 is 30/37. It's not simplification. There's nothing you can do. 30 is even, 37 is not only odd, it's prime. Yes.
So why would you subtract 3x?
Oh, you mean why AX minus 6?
Yeah. No. Like when you do 40x minus 30 equals 3x, why did you subtract 3x to get to the other side?
Oh, I like my x to be on the left.
Okay.
Yeah, you like your x to be on the right, you can do that. You can subtract 40x. It's not wrong.
Yeah.
It's gonna be negative 37, right?
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Traditionally, I like my x to be on the left. All right, F, the E and F are kind of hard. If you be able to do E and F, you should be able to do B, C, D. Right? So I'm gonna do these two for you together, then you gotta do the rest on your own. If 1/2 of a number is added to the number, so let's do this. 1/2 of a number is added to the number. 1/2 of a number is added to the number. 1/2 of a number is added to the number. Yeah, 1/2 of means multiplication, right? So 1/2 x is added, so plus to the number, so x again. Result, it means equal. The difference means subtract, right? So something subtract. I just put a minus sign in the middle. Twice the number and 3. Yeah, 2x minus 3. So it's just one thing at a time. Don't think too much. Okay, don't read the whole thing like, oh my God. This thing just can't start jumping on your head. Just one thing at a time. LCD. 2, right? 2. So everybody multiply by 2. 2/1, 2/1, 2/1, 2/1. That cancel. So I have x plus 2x equal 4x minus 6. Combine like term on the left, x plus 3x. I'm sorry, 2x is 3x equal 4x minus 6. I want my x to be positive, so I'm going to subtract 3x. You can subtract 4x, doesn't matter. It's gone. 0 there. It's x minus 6. Yes, 6. X equals 6. Okay, you try to you do B, C, D, and now you try 1.
Can you put it back up today?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, to A. Sorry, to A there. Try. All right. What are you doing? No, I'm not saying it's perfect, but yeah, it's for more than a quotient. So more than mean what? Plus, right? More than mean plus. Now, for plus, I don't care the order. Plus, easy going. 2 plus 3 is something 2, 3 plus 2. Subtract the one I'm worried about. So, but when it comes to plus, I'm okay. 4 more than, so 4 plus quotient of a number and 2. Quotient means division, right? I'll write that line down. What on top, what on the bottom? What comes first? Yeah, X comes first. So X comes first. So 2 after the end, so it's 2 in the bottom, is equal 10. LCD, 2, right? So multiply everybody by 2, or 2 over 1. Everyone. Remember the equation. If a number gets something, the other number gets the same thing. Big twins, right? Triplets. You're gonna buy them the same clothes, otherwise the other one's gonna scream. All right. So 8 plus the 2 here and the 2 here cancel right here. That's what we want. That's what we want, right? This just leave me X equal 2 times 10 is 20. Subtract 8 both sides. So X equal 12. How many people got 12? Or how many people got the right equation in the first place? Very good.
We start rearranging it like a different way. Does that make a difference?
How will you do it?
Like I pretty much did X over 2 X over.
Equal 10? That's fine. It's the same. Yeah, plus I don't care. C, 7 more than. So when I hear more than, I'm gonna put a plus right there. And then I hear 7. So 7 plus something. Half of a number. Half of a number. Yeah, half X. X on the top. You can do X over 2, same thing, but let's do half X. Is equal. It's the same as quotient of a number and 5. Yeah, quotient means division. So what comes first? Yeah, 5. See, one thing at a time. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. LCD. 10. That means you multiply everybody by 10 over 1. 10 times 7 is 70. The 10 goes into the 2 5 times, so 5x. Equal 10 goes into 5 2 times, so 2x. Subtract what? I'm gonna subtract 2x. Plus you. So I have 70 minus, I'm sorry, plus 3x equals 0. Subtract 70. Remember, you want x all by itself. Slowly just strip things away. 3x equal negative 70. Divide both sides by 3. X equal, can I simplify? No. All right, so just negative 72. How many people have the right equation for this one? Answer? The equation is more like the one I'm concerned. A number decreased by 9. Decrease mean what? Minus. So there's a minus. What comes first? X, right? X minus 9 is the same in equal. 7 more than half of a number. More than mean plus 7 plus half X. Now, for this equation, this is what I meant by I'm worried. If you plus, I don't care. Somebody say, okay, maybe I want 1/2 first and then plus 7. It's okay, it's the same thing. But here, it's not the same thing, right? You gotta put the X first. Minus 9. 9 minus X is different. LCD, 2. 2. So multiply everybody by 2 over 1. 2 over 1. 2 over 1. 2 over 1. So that I don't forget. 2x minus the 2 and the 2 can't. No. Oh, I'm so sorry. I put the 2 here. It should be 1. 18, right? 7, 14. 14. Something wrong with my brain today. 2, the 2 cancel. Plus x. Let's do one shot. Subtract x. And then I move this, I want X on the left, so that means the number to the right. So I mean, I add 18. Gone. 2x minus x is x. 14 plus 32. How many people get this right? Oh, people over there. All right, you try one. It's gonna be in the letter. Translate the given in statement and equation and solve. Okay, 7 added to 2/3 of a number is 6 times the number. Seven added to 2/3 of a number is 6 times the number. All right. How long? How much? All right, we're almost there. 2 more pages. We're almost there. Translate each of the following statement in the equation and solve. Use parentheses when necessary. The sum of 3 times the number and 10. You gotta know how to do this. The sum in add, right? 3 times the number means 3x, and 10 equal 15. I'm sorry, 15. Subtract 10. 3x equal 5. Divide both sides by 3. X equal, oh, what's wrong with me? X X equals 5/3. All right, B. How would I do B? Very good. X plus 10. So be careful, right? You gotta be able to know when to use a parenthesis. 3 times the sum means 3 times something as something. So 3x, distribute 3, so I got 3x plus 30 equal 15, subtract 30. You don't have to write the step you don't want to. 3x equal negative 15, divide both sides by 3. X equal negative 5. All right, we're gonna do 4a together. See what's the difference. Heads up, you try 2, a little bit trickier than you try 1. Even I got it wrong first try. How would I write 3/4 of a number? Yeah, 3/4x. Very good, like that, right? Like that. If I evaluate x equal 24, what is it? What is it equal to? Just plug it in. Let's plug it in. 24 going to 4 how many times? 24 goes into 4 how many times? 6, right? 6 times 3 is 18. Right? So I do like this. I like to do like this. 6, 1. So 3 times 6 is 18. The quotient of a 3 times a number and 4. The quotient of 3 times a number and 4. So quotient means division. 3 times a number. What's on top? 3x, right? And 4 on the bottom. Is this the same thing? Yes, right, yes. So 3, 4, and then you do your 24 here. It is the same thing. 24 goes into 4 6 times. Again. So 18. 3 times the quotient of a number and 4. 3 times the quotient of a number and 4. 3 times, quotient of a number and 4. Like that, right? 3 times. It's still the same thing. It's still into 3. The number is 24. Still 18. Do the above statement, yes. All right, you try to. Give me a second, okay? I feel a little nervous. Let me double check you try 3. What did it say? You try 2. Oh, I see. Okay. All right, I see. Describe the given statement in words. Come on. All right, I want you to describe it correctly, okay? 3/5 and x equal 8. Describe it correctly like we did in triple I. When we have exam, forgot. So many things. Kind of froze a little bit. Oh, I posted the key online, so please check it out, okay? Exam 1 is finished, but doesn't mean it's finished. There's a final, and the final is cumulative. So I recommend you look at it. Oh, but also one more thing. I post the review sheet here for you. So here are the two sheets that you should learn for the exam 2. I don't think I have solution for these two. But the review sheet I'm going to send you in the workshop, there will be solution. All right? And I'm sending it to everybody, not just my workshop. Okay, where's the calendar? You go back to the track. Yeah.
The exam is on the 24th.
Oh, sorry. 24? We have a fall break or something, isn't it? Write down. Notice that I put the X next to the 3/5, not on top. So careful. All right, good news. We have fall break. I know it's only one day. Well, if you don't have class on Thursday, that means 2 days, right? So I have classes at 7:30 at night on Thursday. All right. Yeah. So where are we right now? Are we here? Are we here? So we have classes Friday. Please come. But next Friday, no class. Yay. Okay. Where was I? You try too. Story problem. I know it's your favorite. That's why I added there. The Papa's family has 2 cats, Louis and Athena. Wow. Together the cat weighed 23 pounds. If Zeus weighs 16 pounds, how much does Athena weigh? All right, so what do I want? I need to solve. That means I need an equation, right? First of all, just read through it. If you don't understand, that's fine. But please read through it just once. First, I need you to define a variable. Define a variable. And then define some more. And then you can construct an equation and solve. So that's the procedure. All right, look what I have. I have 2 cats, or somebody else has. I like dog. I'm more like a dog person. 2 cats together, they weigh 23 pounds. So if I let Zeus weigh 16 pounds, if Zeus weighs 16 pounds, all right, if I let X be the weight of Zeus, name the cat Zeus. Okay, if I let X be the weight of Zeus, then then according to this here, what can I, how do I construct an equation? And 16. Yes, right. Oh, I'm so sorry. XB what? Not Zoo, Athena. Because I already know Zoo. Athena, my bad. So X plus 16 equal 23, right? Together they weigh 23 pounds. Solve for X and you know the thetas. Subtract 16. X equal 7. 7? Wow. One is double the others. Don't forget your unit pounds. That's 1 point on the exam. All right. The ticket. Anyone have a question about the gas problem? No. Second one. The ticket price for an afternoon. What is that? Methany is $15.75. This is $7.25 less than the ticket price for the evening show. How much is the ticket cost for the evening show? Right. So evening show cost is what we want. So first define the variable. So let X. If you want to pick something different letter, you can. Let X be the cost of evening show. And please do that on the exam. For me, I don't. Well, if it's up to me, that I don't take point off you to define a variable, but again, it's the general course, right? I have to follow the rubric. Okay. So what can I say next? What kind of equation I can set up next? I know the morning ticket, how much it costs. I mean afternoon. I know that the evening show is $7.35 less than the afternoon. So what does that mean? X equal what? 1575 minus 7.25, right? Makes sense, right? Less than $7.25 less than the afternoon show's cost. So 0, 5. 15 minus 7 is 8. So evening is $8.50. Really? Usually evening is more expensive. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's just say more than, huh? Usually when I go to watch a movie, I go to the afternoon. It's cheaper. Why don't you guys try number 7 on your own? I'll walk around, see how you do. Kroger or Meyer, you buy a soda, you guys do that. By common sense. go to the store, you buy 24 cans case of soda, cost you roughly $10. How much each can cost? What do? You take that divided by 24, right? 24. This is by common sense. But mathematically, how would we write this? Yeah, very good. Let X be the cost of each soda. Of course, in dollar, not yang, not ruby. So 24X equal 9.99. So X equal 9.99 divided by 24. How much it costs? Yeah? How much of vending? I think the vending machine is genius. The water bottle costs $5 in the movie theater. I didn't know I can go cost less than that. Yeah, whoever invented the bottle, water in the bottle is genius. What would you say was 9.99 divided by 24. I'm gonna route it to the nearest cent. So 42 cents. You can do like this, or you can do like that, right? As long as your notation is right, cents or dollars. Almost there. I'll give you try and then we can leave. Stella planted 14 flats of flowers in 2/3 of her garden. How many flat of flowers would she needed to fill the whole garden? I have another way of solving this, but let's do X first. So you get the point for just saying something. Let's X be numbers of lots of flowers. All right, so here's my reasoning. You do this in high school all the time. If she planted 14 flats, it's cost her 2/3 of her garden. I don't know how many flats she should plant, so I'm gonna call it X. It costs her the whole garden, mean what? 1, right? 2/3 less than 1, so whole 1. And then you do the crisscross thing. Do you remember that? It's X times 2/3, right? The crisscross thing. Crisscross thing. You can do that in high school. I remember I did this in my high school, middle school, something like that. So this, I can construct an equation 2x, 2/3 x, x times 2/3 is something 2/3 x, equal 14 times 1. And then you solve for x. Multiply both sides by. Very good, 3/2. Maybe I should write in black so you can see. 3/2, 3/2. That's one that can cancel. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. So 21 flats of flowers. One more, and then I'll give you a try and you can go. Why don't you try number 9? Just to give you a second. Critical thinking now. See that you answer. Very practical problem. If anybody knows someone, doing sell in art can, I don't think they art anymore. Garden White, something like that. It was love. I live near Hall Road, but I think it was love, the gentleman. I love art band. I don't know why they ran out of business, but they have garden white. The next best thing. Anyone know how to expand the screen out? I don't need to see me. I only see my picture. I don't know how to do on here. If you know, please let me know. Is it like one of those windows next to the exit there? Huh? Oh, that's the small. Yeah. And then full screen, maybe full screen. Yes, yes, full screen, yes. Teamwork. Better? All right, what you guys have? What's the answer? Just give me one. What you got, Maddie? 195. All right, anybody else? All right, we'll see. I don't know the answer, but we'll see. Tia earned $125 in commission on the sofa. Her commission is 6% of the selling price. What is selling price of the sofa? So first of all, let's X. We got 1 point to do that. Let's X be the price of the sofa. All right, let's see. So what does that mean? Just by common sense. The commission is 225 on the sofa. The percentage, the commission is 6% on the total price of the sofa. So what are you, how do you construct your equation? First of all, 6%, I had to convert it into decimal, so it will be what? Yeah, if you don't know how to do it, just take 6 divided by 100. 0.06. So mean 0.06 x is the price of the sofa, equal what? Yeah, 325. So does it make sense to you? Divide both sides by 0.06. Use your calculator to do that. Oh my God. I got 5,000. Yeah, it makes sense. 3.5 divided by 0.06. I got the sofa is roughly 5,416. Rounded to the nearest cent. 0.67. Makes sense, right? The sofa is roughly cost roughly somewhere around 5 grand. On sale for like half the price. I don't know what kind of sofa. Better be the whole set. Unless you go to Walmart or something. I never have a 5,000 sofa. If 5,000, better be the whole set. Give me the table. You try 3. Aiden is 3'7" as tall as his father. By the height of the father, given the height of Aiden. So I gotta give you the Aiden height. So Aiden height is 28.5 inches. Once you're done, you can leave. Have a good one, and I'll see you again, hopefully, on Friday. Peace. See you later. Yeah.